Hello, welcome to my channel SlideHunt. Today in this lesson we will learn comment in HTML. Comment tags are used to insert comment in the source code. Comments are not displayed in the browser. So what is the usefulness of it? It helps developers or your colleague to understand the source code. For example, you work in a company and you are designing a web page. But few months later you leave the job and some other person is appointed to your place and he work on the same web page. In such situation, comment will help him to understand what you have done or why you write some particular tags. So it is a good practice to write comment when you work on a big document. You can add a comment in your HTML document using this syntax. Within angle bracket, first write the exclamatory sign followed by 2 hyphen and then write your comment. And this tag is ended by 2 hyphen. Notice that there is an exclamatory sign at the beginning of the tag but not at the end. Let's see a practical example. Here you can see inside the body I add here a heading and a paragraph, and I write here something about my YouTube channel SlideHunt. Now I'm going to add here a comment, exclamatory sign, 2 hyphen. Now write here comment. I'm going to write here about section, and it is ended by another 2 hyphen. Save this document. Now open this document in a web browser, and you can see here comment is not shown here. When someone works on this page reading this comment, he will understand this is the about section of this page. You can add comment anywhere in the document and you can comment out more than one lines at a time. Now I'm going to add here a multi-line comment. So I'm going to write here opening angle bracket, exclamatory sign followed by 2 hyphen, and I'm going to write here this is a multi-line comment and it is not shown in the browser. Now close the comment tag, save the document, refresh the page. If you look at the output, you don't get to see anything. The next thing is, if you want, you can comment out an element also. So I'm going to add here another paragraph element, and I'm going to write here this is another paragraph. Save it, refresh the page, and this is the output. Now we comment out this paragraph. Now end the comment tag, save the document, refresh the web page. You can see here second paragraph is not shown here. The last thing that I want to tell you, even though we commented out the second paragraph and it is not shown in the web page, that doesn't mean it is not present here. If we go to its source code, we will find there all the comment tags. Right click on the web page, go to view page source, and you can see here all the comments. This is the single line comment, this is the multi-line comment, and this is the paragraph element that we have commented out. This is it. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Till then, take care and keep learning.